I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 12 of Fee Notes, the Fee Note Report. Okay, so please note for the purposes of this, I'm using various matters that I've already created with fees that have already been captured on these various matters. Okay, so standing on a matter, I go to the Fee Notes screen, and I'm currently viewing the Fee Notes just for this particular matter. That would be my litigation matter as set out on the blue stripe. Now, the purpose of a Fee Note report, you can do a Fee Note report based on any information contained in the Fee Note screen. For the purposes of this example, I am going to draw a Fee Note report by employee Michelle Bentley over a specific period of time. So, what I want to achieve is I want to see specific fees and disbursements that have been written by Michelle Bentley over a period of time. And in order to do that, I need to filter my screen. Please have a look at our in-depth webinar on how to use the filtering. So I'm going to simply filter by employee Michelle Bentley, matter all, and over a specific date range. So I am going to say, let's say, a custom date range from 1st of July last year to today's date, the 19th of June this year. Okay, so what the program has now done, it's filtering by specific criteria, by the employee Michelle Bentley and by date range. And effectively what it is now displaying is every fee and every disbursement captured by Michelle Bentley in that date range. And I now want to go and put that into a report, which is this little icon over here. So we click on the icon and the Fee Notes report will appear. Now you have your choice of destination, MS Word, PDF, or Excel. I personally prefer putting reports in Excel because you can fit an enormous amount of information onto a spreadsheet and they can be manipulated after the fact. Okay, now I need to tell the program what it is I want to see. Now the order in which you tag these little selections is the order in which your columns will appear on your report. So I would like date, okay, I would like the matter file reference, I would like the matter description, I would like the amount X VAT, I would like the VAT amount, and I would then like the amount inclusive of that. So that's a very basic kind of description, and you can give it a nice little heading. So what did we say? We said 01 July 2019 to 19/06/2020. Okay, so once I've made my description, made my selections, pardon me, I can then click on my print icon. The program will then collate this information and put it into an Excel spreadsheet and present it to me accordingly. Now, this is a great report if you want to see what fees you're writing by month, by period, by quarter, and so on and so forth. So there you can see the dates, the file references, the matter descriptions, and the amounts written. I probably should have put in the fee description as well. So let's just scroll down, 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 and we can then see the totals for each column. Now, if you decide like me that you have left something out, you can simply close the report, go back into it, and amend your request. So I want matter description. I also want the fee description before I want the amount X VAT, that amount, inclusive amount. So I've simply changed up my requirements, click on it again, and it will go through the exact same procedure. This time, I've now got an additional column which gives my fee description as well as my matter description. So by manipulating the options on the report screen, you can have various outcomes in your report. And this is a great report for statistical purposes.